All right, today we're gonna play Lucha Kitty, a wrestling cat-themed game from Light and Wonder. 60-cent min bet. Let's see what we can do. Bonus! All right, we're gonna do a little live play here just to show you how the game works. Ooh, that was a pretty good line hit. Normal slot machine. It's actually a pretty big, kind of a 4x5 with a couple of extra symbols on columns 2 and 4. But the key here, you see some of the spaces are outlined with kind of a hex pattern. That whenever a symbol lands, oh, there you go. Whenever a coin symbol lands, you don't get those right away. That'll like lock off, and then if you land it within an active window, if it's connected, you get that amount repeated. It's hard to explain, so we wanted to show. So far, we're not doing so great here. But the good part is you want to get a lot of them kind of stacked up. Oh, there's 250. Oh, that's a good one because it's connected. So yeah, you get all of those. So 750 on a 60-cent bet. That's really good. So yeah, so that, and then the little symbols go away. Little shell. So if you can collect a lot of them, and then you land a big symbol, and it just cascades everyone that's connected to it, that could be pretty huge. There's a lot of hats. Oh man, that one symbol in the front wasn't a hat. That was confusing. Yeah, we like how the little cat comes out and licks the screen to make the border. Sorry about this glare down here. I don't know how to get rid of that. Try to hold it a little different. Come on, let's get something. Oh, come on. Yeah, all right. Bonus. Caught it live. Ooh, that's... Oh, a wheel. I like the wheel. Okay. Come on. Ooh. 15 free games. Oh, 7 free games. Oh, but we get two hex symbols per spin. Okay. Oh, that was a dud. Okay, now we're connected there. That's good. Ooh, okay. Oh man, we wasted that symbol up there. Okay. Okay, this could get pretty big. Okay, that 40 cents. It's not a huge one, but it multiplies there. 3 free games left. Oh yeah, we're almost connected up. Oh yeah, that could be good. Let's get one in the center. Let's add it in the center. Oh man, connect them. Oh, it's connected now. Okay. All right, now something big. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good. Something huge, something huge. Oh, 40 cents.
Lucha Kitty.
Now I think if you land multiples, they will cascade over everything, so you get everything added together. So that could be really good. All right, 1090. Not a huge bonus. Saved on that last spin. But cute. Pretty cute overall. I'm definitely glad we got something to hit on that last spin, though. Would have been a waste of all those spaces, but I think we'll end it there since we've seen the bonus. We'll be back if we get another one. Well, guess what, guys? We did get another bonus. Another bonus on Lucha Kitty. Let's see if we can get that mega. Come on. No, not... Ooh, 15 free games, though. That's good. That's more than double what we got last time. Alright, still betting 60 cents. Oh, yeah, well, that's a decent one to hit there off the start. Get lots of frames. You get 2 per game, plus whatever coins land. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You don't want it to land too early. You're like, no, not yet. Let's connect them. Oh, we did have 2 of them land. Let's see what happens then. Oh. Okay, so they do add up. I like that. I do think that's pretty cool. Need to get some bigger numbers to land there. Oh, good. We're connected up there again. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, keep adding frames, connecting them in. Yep. Ooh, that dollar would have been good below. Oh, we got a lot connected now. Seven games left. We're about where we were in the last bonus. Okay, now we need something big. We need a couple of them. Oh, now we connected up that one. Need multiple coins to drop. That would be awesome. Oh, we got a full screen. Oh, man, just 30 cents. I do like that cascade. About $6.50. Man, if you get like $1 in there, that could be pretty good. Yeah, what is it? We got 22 symbols up there. Oh, $5. Where were you last time? $5. Yeah, right there. Could have just landed. Oh, man. Yeah, that would have been a $100 win. Oh, man. All right, last spin. Here we go. Connected. Come on, land something in those. Okay, we got 30 cents. Oh, and 70. Okay, so all right, another $4. So much better than last time. 22.10, more than double what we got last time. For 60 cents, it's actually not a terrible bonus. Oh, he ate the plate, too. That's not healthy. Well, last time we had chili peppers. This time we have tacos. You get a taco win. Well, very fun, Lucha Kitty. Well, that was a lot of fun. A cute little new game from Light & Wonder, Lucha Kitty. There's another one called Sumo Kitty. Very, very similar, only he's a sumo wrestler. Lots of wrestling motifs with cats, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll bring you new content soon.